Hello guys, welcome to Civil Engineers Daily Life IRC 37 Design of Flexible Payments. What is IRC 37? IRC 37 is the guideline by Indian Road Congress for designing flexible payments bituminous roads based on traffic and soil strength. Basic payment layers from bottom to top, subgrade, which is soil. Second one is subbase GSP. Third one is base course WMM or WBM. Fourth one is bituminous layer BC or DBM or BM. Load transfers from top to bottom gradually. Here you can see a picture about the layers. This is the typical cross section of a flexible pavement. On the bottom, natural subgrade, and above it, compacted subgrade 150 to 300 mm. Above it, subbase course 100 to 300 mm. Above it, base course 100 to 300 mm. Above it, binder course 50 to 100 mm. Above it, surface course 25 to 50 mm. This is typical cross section of a flexible pavement. Here there is prime coat, tack coat and a seal coat. Prime coat is in between binder course and base course. Tack coat is in between surface course and binder course. There is a seal coat also on the top. Then subgrade strength. How it is measured? Measured by CBR, California Bearing Ratio test. Typical values. In case of weak soil, it is less 3 to 5%. In case of good soil, 8 to 15%. Design life normally 15 years as per IRC. Then CBR concept. What is CBR test? For determining the thickness. Core idea CBR is equal to test load divided by standard load into 100. Higher CBR value, that means stronger soil is there. Lower CBR value, we are getting lower CBR value by testing, that means need thicker pavement, that is soil is loose. Thickness design concept, IRC provides charts based on MSA CBR. Example, CBR if 5%, traffic 10 MSA, then total thickness approximately 500 to 600 mm. Cross section of a flexible pavement. On bottom, subgrade, first one subgrade 150 to 300 mm, and second above it subbase 100 to 300 mm. Third one is base course 100 to 300 mm. Fourth one is binder course 50 to 100 mm. Then last final surface course 25 to 50 mm. There is prime coat and tack coat, also seal coat. Then what is common failures happening in the pavement? Rutting, that is depression, cracking, potholes. What are the reasons for common failures? That may be due to poor drainage system, weak subgrade, overloading.